Hi children, good morning. How are you? I think you all are fine and safe. Okay na? So today we'll start the class for 3rd and 4th class Nana. 3rd and 4th class children. First I will start with maths class. Okay na? Why I combined the 3rd and 4th class? Why I combined the 3rd and 4th class? Do you know? Because from starting for basics to for 3-4 days I will go for the basics itself only. Up to previous classes you learned about up to 1000 numbers, how to write 1000 numbers. But after 1000 you don't know how to write. So today we will start with numbers from 1000 onwards. So 3rd class children and 4th class children same content is there. So because of that I have combined the class. I am taking the class. So children please go through that. So for 4th class children we have given the plain notebooks. For 4th class children we have given the plain notebooks. In this plain notebooks you draw the lines. Draw from left side one line, right side one line you draw it. In the middle itself you start writing the numbers. Okay na? For 3rd class children already have the check rule. You follow the check rule. Okay na? Okay. So first numbers 1001 to 1100. Okay na? For today I will teach from 1000 to 1100 itself. Remaining all numbers you can learn by your own itself, because daily to write all these numbers means time will not be sufficient for us. So for 2 days after, for this 2-3 days I will take only basics. What are the previous years you have learned, that content only I will teach you. And after 3 days after we will go into the subject. Okay na? For today we will learn the numbers first. Okay na? So 1001. How to write 1001? 1001 is a 1001. 1002. So 1002 is the 1002. 1003. 1004. 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. 9 after what will come? So how will you write 1010 Anna? 1010. 1010 is the 1010. 10 after what will come again? 10 after 11. Yes, 1011. Few children will be writing like this Nana. 10000 11 100 like this. This is wrong Nana. Okay now 1011 means 1011 only have to write. 1012. 1012 means 1012. 1013. 1014 means 1014. 1015. 1016. 1017. 1018, 1019, 19 after what will come Nana? Yes, 1020. How will you write 1020? 1020 you have to write. Okay na? Next, 1021 means 1021, 1022, 1023. Next, 1024. Next what? 1025. Please write down neatly Nana. So I am not leaving the boxes here because of scarcity of place. So you leave the boxes and write. 1001 to 1010 after you leave one box. Okay, now already know how to leave the boxes. So whereas for 4th class children, you give 2 finger gap or 1 finger gap, you give it and write Nana. Okay na? Otherwise you can draw the boxes also. Just draw the lines and draw it. Okay na? Okay. 1026, 1027. 1028, 1029, 1030. Okay na? Okay, 1030 after what will come? Yes, 1031, 1032, 1033, 1034, 1035, 1036. 1037, 1038, 1039, 1000. That means after what will come? Yes, 1040. 1040. Okay na? Next 1000. What will come? 40 after 41. 1042. 1043. 1044. 1045, 1046. Like this you can write like this. You can go on writing now. Right, for today I write it on, I mentioned it on the blackboard clearly. But remaining tomorrow onwards, you have to write by your own itself. Because daily I will give the homework numbers. Daily numbers I will give you the homework that we have to write down, and as well as the textbook also I will go. So the textbook homework also you have to do it compulsory. But these numbers daily I can't write because time will be losing the time. Okay na? Okay. 1049 means what, Nana? 1049. 1050. 1050 means what, Nana? Yes, 1050. Yeah. 1051. 1052. 1053. 1054. 1055. 1056. 1057. 1058. 1059. 1060. Okay, na? Are you writing neatly, Nana? You have to write the numbers neatly. Okay, don't scribble the handwriting. Please, you have to write your handwriting neatly. Okay, na? Don't lose your handwriting. You have to write it very neatly, Nana. 1061, 1062, 1063, 1064. You have to read and write. Then only you can write the numbers fast. 1066, 1067, 1068, 1069, 1070. Nana, this is your classwork only. In the notebook only, classwork, you put it as classwork and write down. So today's date you have to put it compulsory and mention it classwork. Mention it as classwork. Homework will be given later for you. 1070 after what will come, Nana? 1071, 1072, 1073, 1074, 1075, 1076, 1077, 1078, 1079. 79 after what will come, Nana? Yes, 1080. Okay, na? Please write down neatly. Again I am repeating you. You have to write it neatly. If you don't write neatly, your attendance will be considered as absent itself. Okay, na? Date compulsory you have to mention, Nana. Classwork you have to mention it. And this classwork you have to WhatsApp me, as well as homework also you have to WhatsApp to my number. Okay, na? I'll mention the number there later. So 1080 after what will come? Okay, 1081, 1082, 1083, 1084. You can call it as 1000 or you can call it as 1000. Whatever it is correct, Nana. 1085, 1086, 1087, 1088, 1089. 1089 after what will come, Nana? Yes, 1090. 1090. Yes. Next, 1091, 1092, 1093, 1094, 1095, 1096, 1097, 1098, 1099. So 99 after what will come, Nana? You see the numbers from again I am going. So in single digit 1 to 9 will come. 9 after again 10. So from 10 digit to what is the 2 digit number? Last 2 digit number is what, Nana? 99 will come. Yes or no, children? Yes. So after 99 what you will write? In the single digit number is last number is 9. So 2 digit number last number is what will come? 99. So next 2 digits is completed after what will come again? Yes, 100, 100. So here 1009 after what will come? 1000, 100. So 1100. Okay, na? So this is the numbers, Nana. For third class and fourth class starting basics compulsory you have to learn means we have started from numbers. If you learn these numbers only, remaining numbers we can go for the future class, further classes. So these numbers are compulsory, Nana. This is written, you write it as this one as classwork, and your homework is. So this is your homework. 14th date. 14th date homework is 1100 to 1200 numbers. And again, you are very perfect in tables, no? You are very perfect in tables, no? So tables also you read tables. Read tables 2 to 5.
WhatsApp number.
So my WhatsApp number is so whatever you have done the homework, that homework is compulsory. You have to WhatsApp to me. If you WhatsApp only, that homework will be considered as your attendance. If you don't send the WhatsApp number, your homework to WhatsApp means that day you will be considered absent. So if you are absent means, that means again next academic also you will be in the same classes. Okay, now so remind that in mind and do the homework perfectly and WhatsApp to this number. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can make a call to me. Okay, na? Okay, bye.